Hey everyone, it's Angela, and today we're making this Malibu Chicken Sizzler Copycat recipe. If you love retro recipes as much as I do, this is a fantastic treat. We're going to start out with prepping our chicken breast. You can see I use a sheet of cling film over my chicken breast while I use a meat mallet or tenderizer to pound the meat so that it's an even thickness. That means it all cooks at the same amount of time. You don't have one piece that's going to take longer. Pop your chicken breast into a zip top bag along with some egg yolks and garlic. This is going to be the marinade that makes this so tasty. While that's marinating, mix your breading, which is breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan, and a little bit of flour and some seasoning. We're going to bread each of the pieces and set those aside so that they're ready to cook as quickly as possible. I'm going to pan fry these and I'm going to have the oven heated in the meantime so that once they're all seared, they're going to go into the oven and finish. In the meantime, I start out with pan searing these in a bit of tallow. You can use whatever high smoke point, neutral flavored cooking oil that you prefer. We're going to sear these until they're nice and golden on both sides. You can flip them more than once if you need to get the right color that you want. They need to be about 80% cooked. I'm using tallow here, beef tallow. You can use whatever high smoke point cooking oil that you prefer. Once these chicken breasts are seared on both sides and nice and golden, I place them onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet, and they're all going to go into the oven that is 400 degrees. Now we're going to mix up the tasty Malibu sauce that is so delicious. You're going to thank me for this. It is mayo, even if you don't like mayo, that's me. You're going to love this sauce. It's mayo, it's Dijon, it's yellow mustard, it's some honey. Don't skip the lemon juice. It's optional, but I highly recommend it. And some garlic powder. Next, we'll top the finished chicken with deli ham slices and some Swiss cheese slices. Use a little bit extra ham and cheese if you want, but a couple slices of ham and one slice of Swiss is usually sufficient. Bake until melted. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. You can broil if you want, but it's not really necessary. And then portion out some of the Malibu sauce and enjoy a fantastic steakhouse treat. I grew up in Oregon, so we had Sizzlers, and our local in Salem, I think it was the Black Angus Steakhouse. What was in your area? What do you remember? And what were your favorite dishes there? Tell me in the comments. Thanks so much and have a great day.